Welcome to the Multi-Steps Checkout for Magento 2, a smarter way to personalize your store's checkout flow. Create custom steps, choose from multiple form types, and manage it all from the admin panel. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now let's look at the functionality of this module. First, we need to go to the Store section, then select Configuration. Under Checkout Step Settings, we can simply select Yes or No to enable or disable the module. After selecting Yes, click on the Save Config button and the configuration will be saved successfully. Next, let's create new custom checkout steps by navigating to Custom Checkout Steps and clicking on Create Checkout Step. Here, we need to enter a step title, followed by the step order value. For now, I am entering 11, and note that the sort order must be between 10 and 20. Under the Custom option, we can define the field we want to collect. To begin, click on the Add Option button and give the input attribute a title, such as Gift. Next, choose the input type, such as text field, drop-down, text area, radio button, and many more. You can click the Add Option button again to create additional attributes. Once done, click on the Save Steps button to save your configuration. After saving, you will see that the step has been created successfully. Now, let's explore how the module functions on the front end. When the customer goes to checkout, they will see the new custom step added to the flow. They need to fill in the required information as configured, click Next, and then click Place Order. Once the order is placed, the admin can view the submitted data and order details by navigating to the Sales section and then selecting Orders, clicking View, and scrolling down to the Additional Step Information section. Customers can also view this information in the My Order section. If any changes are needed later, go to the Custom Checkout Step section, then select Manage Checkout Steps and click Edit. From there, you can modify fields like the step title and step order, delete custom attributes, or update the option title, input type, and even add more options. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.